it comes out to like $150 a mat. But Hammer always buys plywood, and I told him, bro, stop buying it. It's just a waste of money. It's like always throwing 300 bucks away. Slow down, buddy. But this job took the other dog out. Come on, West Coast Saws, you gotta sponsor us. These bad boys are expensive. Is this correct? Yep, 300. Appreciate that very much. What's up, everyone? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. We got a pretty busy day ahead of us today because we have a tree job. It's not a junk removal job. These jobs usually take longer, but not only that, it's an hour and a half away from my house. It is a drive. I'm running the flatbed trailer instead of the dump trailer because it's definitely more ideal for when you're hauling equipment. I also bought 10 more mats yesterday from Facebook Marketplace. It ran me 1,500 bucks. It's a lot of money, a big investment up front compared to plywood, but it is gonna last you way longer. So it comes out to like $150 a mat, but Hammer always buys plywood, and I told him, bro, stop buying it. It's just a waste of money. It's like always throwing 300 bucks away, 300 bucks away, because every time he runs it over with the excavator, some pieces crack whenever they're on uneven ground. They will last you longer with the mini skid, but to me, it's still definitely worth going with plastic over that because it's just gonna last you longer and you don't have to worry about always replacing it. Like this, you always load it up, good to go. I also went with white because I don't want to burn lawns in the summer. Basically, we get really hot weather over here and black just attracts too much heat. With white, I should be good to go. That's what at least people say on the internet. We made it to the job site. We might not even need all these mats. We got the mini skid warming up. The homeowner from the second house over there was gonna have us use his yard, but then he got permission from this house, so we were able to back up Hammer's truck into the woods over there, and we're removing the 2 trees behind us, so it should be way easier on us, less traveling on the grass. I love these straps, bro, because they never fall out. They auto retract. Look at this. And then they roll in on their own, bro. So easy to use. And then I'll just back up the machine a little bit and we can unhook the chains.
Yeah, that sounds
good. And get.
I like these for this.
Yeah, they're nice. Comes with the chain already. Whew, dusty. Lift it off. I can adjust it later. There you go. One is good enough. I got these long pallets that fit these perfectly on, and I had 10 on them yesterday. It didn't tip the machine, but when I was trying to drive, it was trying to. So 7 is perfect per pallet because the pallets themselves are heavy. All right, watch out. I don't want to hear you. I gotta grease these arms. They run out of grease so fast. I don't understand. It's like 2 hours in, done.
What you need to get is the
that right there.
You need to get the low maintenance grease. It's thicker and it lasts a lot longer. Got it?
Yeah, I should be able to.
Yep.
Okay, and then let me put some on the grapple and then we're good. Get on the back, it's too heavy. It's because the hill. Look at the plywood cracking. Jumped off. around, straight up pull them off. So these are diamond on both sides, so they should grip very well.
This has the ground saw.
2.6 has a ground saw.
Yeah, 500 up there.
Cut all that brush. Yeah, we'll fit everything in, bro. Huge table, bro.
Yeah, for real.
You might have to hop on. Well, maybe not. Yeah. Let's just lay them all down. That way we have, you know, good churning and everything. Pallet is heavy. I got it from the guy with the mats. He was giving them away for free so he doesn't have to pay to get rid of them. But there is some thick wood compared to the one I had. I'm actually very happy with how this ended up working out for us. We jackknifed Hammer's truck as much as we could. We actually slammed the trailer into the bumper, but it's metal on metal, so no dents. This is really heavy duty stuff. But that's what happens when you're bumper pull. You can't jackknife as good when you're in between trees. The yellow rope?
Yeah, the yellow rope's behind you.
Well, this one's yellow.
No, in the other bag. That bag.
Oh, okay, the other one.
I'm gonna shoot up this, and then I'm gonna have to go up, and I'll set my rig line.
I'm gonna try to drag everything right here, make myself a pile, that way I can just come in with the mini and squish it down. And then we got one of the pines right there next to the dump trailer going out as well. We're pretty much betting on fitting everything in. I think we can make it work because we can't afford to make 2 trips out here. It's just too far of a drive. trying to cut that tiny twig. Okay.
I'll be ready in about 2 minutes.
All right, you ready to rig?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start cutting all this up and hauling it to the trailer with the mini skid.
I really didn't want that butt end coming at me.
I know.
That's good stuff.
I miss you. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Good stuff, Andre.
Hey, brother.
Good?
Yeah, I put my hand on a briar and I picked it up.
Oh, that's freaking hurt.
Hammer's getting ready to send this top. It's a decent size. You can't really tell because we're pretty low on the ground, but it's a big boy. Perfect.
There you go. How's it going?
Okay. I got a tree needs to be cut down, but I was gonna cut it up and use it for firewood.
Yeah.
But all I needed was cut down. I don't know if you would do something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Where do you live?
Down on the end on the left, it's the same size as that one probably. All I wanted to drop it. How much would that cost?
I need to come check it out. If that's all right.
Let me get your number. We'll call you once we're done over here and come check it out.
Looks like you got another client, huh?
Maybe. We
Yeah,
gotta go look
good.
at it.
Make sure to leave your business cards with me too.
All right, we'll do.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because if you have them, because
Yeah.
I'll definitely. You never know who you run into.
Yeah, he was saying he just wants a tree about this size dropped and he wants to clean it up himself, but that's gonna be a lot of cleanup. I don't think he realizes.
Yeah, I know. I see.
With that equipment, it's a lot of work.
Yep.
taking that bad boy home. Me and Hammer are gonna hop in the dump trailer, cut it down, that way we can for sure fit both trees in. With the excavator, you gotta lay them sideways, so you basically need 2 mats instead of 1. Slow down, buddy. Some mats around this tree, that way when we're dropping sticks down it doesn't poke the lawn, so the mats can absorb it. Hammer's gonna drop the top right now. It's a tiny one. Hopefully it lands right on top of the mats. Oh, it did actually. It almost missed the mat. Let's see if it broke. Nope, it broke the branches though. Perfect. These trees aren't too bad. We're a little under 3 hours since we started. This tree's gonna come down in no time, less than 30 minutes, because this one's easy. Hammer's 500 ice cooked. The dog broke off. So he lost one earlier and now one broke. But he lost it a long time ago. I got these for him half a year ago or so. As a gift, I got him the whole kit. And it lasted him a good bit. But this job took the other dog out. Come on, West Coast Saws. You gotta sponsor us. These bad boys are expensive. We can't afford them breaking. So with the black and white mats that I have now, that's about $2,500 in them. Two logs on the trailer. Nice oak, straight, easy to split. We got this job right here all wrapped up. As you guys can see, thanks to the mats, we did 0 damage to this lawn. Customers are extremely happy about that. You can't even tell we were here. You can see kind of a line, but if you rake this grass out, you won't be able to even tell. As we were working today, a gentleman came up to us asking if we can just come to his house and drop a tree down. We don't have to clean it up or anything. And he was gonna give us $200 just to drop it. And I was like, if you give us another $100, we'll cut it up for you off the tree, because he's an older guy. It'll make his life a lot easier. And he's like, I'll pay you cash. That sounds great. So this right here is the tree hammer already started. Easy drop. Like that, we made an extra $300.
I'm gonna cut those down. Later on, we're gonna get a dozer.
If you never get that dozer, you have our number. You can call us. We'll come back and we can bring a stump grinder and we can cut them and grind them for you.
Okay, I appreciate that. I'll keep your number. I'm gonna go in there and write it down now.
Appreciate it.
Is this correct?
Yep, 300. Appreciate that very much.
I appreciate you so much.
Yeah, we'll cut it up for you, clean it up.
I'm sorry?
I said, you know what you're doing.
I made it back home and I'm surprised it's not dark yet, because today we had a lot of driving. I drove 4 hours on the truck, at least that's what it said. It was like 4 hours and 4 minutes. But after we wrapped up that job, I got another call from a repeat customer needing 2 trees down as well. So I stopped by, it was on the way home, gave her a price. Hopefully we end up getting that as well, because that would be sick. But this right here is gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.